Hey guys, so today's video is going to be an unboxing. I'm going to be showing you guys my monthly wellness box that I get from doTERRA. So each month I place an order with doTERRA. I get to choose what I get in my boxes, which is awesome. This program is called the Loyalty Rewards Program. One thing that I love with doTERRA is that you get points back every time you purchase. You get shipping points back and you get a certain percentage of points depending on how long you've been with the company. The first 3 months you get 10% back. Months 3 to 6 you get 15, and so on and so forth. When you've been with the company 13 months you get 30% back. Like 30% back of what you spend in points to turn around and use to get free stuff. I know with other companies the max is 20%. So just throwing that out there. But yeah, I literally have a bunch of points that I haven't used that I could turn around and use to get free oils and free products. It's amazing. I am a distributor with doTERRA, so I do work on the business side of doTERRA. But if you don't want to do that, you can just sign up as a wholesale customer and get the box monthly. If you decide one month you don't want to do it, you don't have to. It's as simple as that. There's a $35 enrollment fee, which allows you to get wholesale pricing, but it's totally worth it. Okay, I'm so excited because there are new products in here. Okay. I really wanted to paint my nails for this video, but I didn't have time. All right, let's start with oh, it's cold. Like the mailman literally just delivered it and I'm like, I need to make a video. So I just like slapped on a face and I put on some bold lip and I'm like, my hair. Put on a hat and here we are. Okay, the first thing that I purchased is the On Guard foaming hand wash. I love this stuff and I noticed ever since I started using different soap on my hands, my eczema has been worse. This is from the On Guard line. I absolutely love it. I just buy the refill, not every month, like every other month. This is a foaming hand wash. Did I mention that, by the way? It's foaming. But yeah, I buy it like every other month. It smells amazing. I love the On Guard line and I feel like it just gets my hands so clean. So this is the Protecting Shampoo. I am so excited. I've never even smelled this. It's wild orange and lime. It's gonna smell amazing. I am super picky with my shampoos and conditioners. That's probably one of the reasons why I haven't tried it. Oh my gosh. It smells like orange soda. Oh, that smells so good. I am so excited to try this. Along with that, I got the smoothing conditioner. I don't know what this one smells like either. Provides immediate conditioning, smoothing, and shine. Don't know what it smells like. Oh, I like that. That smells very fresh. I am excited to try this. I'm actually gonna color my hair probably tomorrow. So yeah, I'm excited to finally use these. This came as a pack. It was 28 bucks, I think. I don't remember. I'll have like prices and everything down below if you're interested. But yeah, you can either buy them separate or if you buy them together, it is cheaper. I want to say it was like 28 bucks. So this oil was not part of my LRP order, but I wanted to show you guys. So this is a blend from doTERRA. It's called Beautiful. This was actually given out at convention last year, or I think it was actually given out at Gala. I think only people that went to Gala could get this. But when I saw this came out, I was like, oh my gosh, I need to get my hands on it. And I was finally able to get my hands on it. I don't even know anything about it. I'm gonna have to look it up. All I saw was that it was like a exclusive blend that only special people that went to Gala could get it. And I'm like, I need that. I need to get it. So let's look it up. This is a captivating blend. It uplifts the mood and adds an energizing and floral aroma to any occasion. It says you can use it as a personal aroma, when you're experiencing occasional anxious feelings, roll it on your pulse points to help enhance your mood. I love the way this smells. This has, I think just, yeah, lime, bergamot, and frankincense. It smells so good. I want to just, like eat it. So it smells very, very sweet. It smells like a lime Jolly Rancher or like a lime Skittle. Skittles smell, right? Yeah, when you chew. Wait, green Skittles aren't lime anymore. Aren't they apple now? Oh, it's like a lime candy. It smells so good. I can't smell the frankincense in it or the bergamot. It just smells very, very sweet. And the person that I bought it from said that. They're like, this is way too sweet for me. I don't like it. But I absolutely love it. And I have it on today. I can still smell it. And if you guys are interested in this, let me know because I do have a way of getting my hands on more of these. So yeah, I will have info down below and you can just send me a message if you're interested in this, and I will most likely be able to get my hands on this for you. Another thing I'm so excited about is the yoga collection. Can you guys see? Oh, how cute is that? Look at this cute little box that it comes in. Oh my gosh, love it so much. So this is a new product to me. This came out at convention. Again, one of these things, I don't know why it took me so long to get it. I don't know. It comes with 3 oils. It comes with Anchor, Align, and Arise. I'll read to you what it says about each one. So Anchor is a steadying blend. It has lavender, cedarwood, frankincense, cinnamon, sandalwood, black pepper, patchouli. Ugh, let's smell that one because I'm not a fan of patchouli. So I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. You know, it's not as bad as I thought it would be. I can smell the cinnamon, like, smells like big red gum. Like, I can smell that. Hold on. I feel like I need to sometimes, like, shake them up and take a couple of different whiffs, because, like, the first smell, okay, I still smell cinnamon. Yeah, like, it doesn't smell bad at all. I really can't smell the patchouli. Align, this is a centering blend. It has bergamot, coriander, marjoram, peppermint, geranium, basil, rose, and jasmine. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. And then the third oil is Arise. This is an enlightening blend. It has lemon, grapefruit, Siberian fir, osmanthus. No idea what that is. And Melissa. Melissa is like a crazy oil. It's super expensive. I had it, but I actually gave it to somebody else because I just did not like the scent of it, but it's supposed to be a really amazing oil. So let's, ooh, I smell the lemon right away. Ooh, I like this. I like this. I can't even talk. I really like this one. Ooh, very citrusy. I love citrus oils. So I got Purify. I love this oil so much, especially when I'm cleaning. I love to diffuse it when I'm cleaning. I put a couple drops in our laundry to make our laundry smell good. I just love this smell. Oh, I've missed you. I haven't had Purify in a while. Ooh, I love it. It has a lemon, Siberian fir, citronella, lime, tea tree, and cilantro. The next oil that I got is Elevation. This smells so good. Oh my goodness. This is another one that I haven't had in a while. Oh, I love it. It's such an uplifting scent. It has tangerine, lavender, clary sage, Hawaiian sandalwood, ylang ylang, howood, osmanthus. What is that? I need to look that up. A lemon myrtle. Lemon myrtle. Don't know what that is either. And Melissa. This is seriously such an uplifting scent. It is a little bit more pricey compared to like other oils, but it's amazing. I love to diffuse this like first thing in the morning. Oh, smells so good. Okay, so Terra Shield, I got this for the upcoming warmer months. This is a great bug repellent. I'm especially freaked out because I'm gonna be pregnant this summer and I don't want to get mosquito bites. I want to keep the bugs away. I love the scent of this. Like normally you would think like, oh, a bug repellent, it's gonna smell nasty. No, 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 this smells amazing. Like I want, oh my gosh, oh, I love it. I want Lewis to wear this as like a cologne, even though he doesn't even wear cologne. He's like such a manly man. He doesn't wear cologne. Oh, it smells so good though. So this has ylang ylang. What are some other ones? Cedarwood, eucalyptus, vanilla. It just smells so good. They do make a little spray bottle form of this, which I probably should have got. Which I probably still will get. So they just put a couple drops on and it will keep the bugs away. Oh, this was just freebie this month. If you're part of the Loyalty Rewards program, if you spend a certain amount each month, there's a different promo each month. This month it was grapefruit. Grapefruit is great for your skin, actually, if you experience breakouts. It's great for your skin. It's great for your metabolism. And because it's a citrus oil, it's very uplifting. So yeah, this guy was free this month. I got Motivate Touch. If you didn't know the touch oils like this one and Beautiful, these come in rollerball form and they're already pre-diluted with fractionated coconut oils. Motivate is one of my favorite oils. Peppermint, clementine, coriander, basil, rosemary, and vanilla. It does exactly what the name says. It motivates you. Like it's just very I don't know, whenever I need like an extra oomph, I either diffuse this or I put this on my wrists, and it really does motivate me. These are 2 new blends released by doTERRA. They just randomly announced, I think last Monday, that they were coming out with these 2 blends. These are limited edition. If you want your hands on these, you need to contact me ASAP because these will sell out. If they haven't already, I'll have to check. I don't think they have, but like I said, they will sell out. Sorry, that is really annoying. So yeah, if you're interested in these, message me ASAP. Okay, so the first one that I got is called Aspire. Ooh, I'm so excited. So what is in this? Do you guys hear Sorella? What? Oh, there we go. So lime, cardamom, hyssop? Hyssop. I don't know what that is. Cedarwood and chamomile. It says create an invigorating aroma that can be applied throughout the day to stay focused, energized, and driven. I like that this has that little explanation on the bottle. Like, that is so helpful. These other ones don't. It just says the ingredients, and if you can ingest it like lemon oil, it'll have the supplement facts on it. But I like that this has a little explanation of what it does on it. That's super helpful. All right, let's smell this. Oh. Okay. You guys, oh man, you guys are probably gonna laugh, but this smells like a Band-Aid. Ooh, I don't like it. Ooh, I'm not gonna lie, I'm always upfront with you guys and totally honest. If there's an oil that I don't like patchouli or Aspire, guys, yeah, it smells, hold on, let's do a little shaky because I don't know, it smells like a Band-Aid. Yes, it smells like a Band-Aid or like a medical environment. Ooh, I don't know what's causing it to smell like that. Maybe it's hyssop. Hyssop. I don't know what that is. I need to look it up. It's a small bushy aromatic plant in the mint family. That might be it actually. Oh, it smells like a Band-Aid, like a minty Band-Aid. Yes. Oh, I don't know, guys. I'm gonna set this aside and we'll come back to that later, like maybe tomorrow, and I'll see if I like it. But right now, I don't like the scent of it. Okay, and the other exclusive blend is called One. Okay, so this, so this has ylang ylang, frankincense, vetiver, Douglas fir, cardamom, and melissa. It says, let the grounding aroma of One remind you that in every success, tragedy, or helping hand, we are one. I like that. All right, let's smell it. Ooh, okay. I like this one. Whew, good. At least we're 1 for 2. I was worried. I like it. It smells like outdoorsy, like fresh. I like it. What is that I'm smelling though? Man, I gotta stop putting it up my nose. I think it's the Douglas fir. Ooh, I like it. All right, this one's a good one, guys. I don't like the smell of Aspire, but I really like the smell of this one. That is it for my unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about anything, if you want to get your hands on anything I mentioned, you can either send me an email, you can send me a DM on Instagram, you can comment down below and I will get back to you. Again, if you want one of the limited edition oils, specifically one, because I feel like I like that one better. I mean, that's just my opinion. Then definitely get a hold of me ASAP because it will sell out if it hasn't already. Like I said, I'll double check and let you guys know. If you have any questions on anything, on how to get started with oils, if you just want to buy oils, if you just want to try out oils without making a commitment, like if you're like, hey Vanessa, I want to buy some oils, but I don't want to spend the $35 and make a commitment just yet, I can help you guys out with that. We can work something out. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.